Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
I know you may be anxious to ask questions to the Divine Grace. So if there's any questions, you may raise your hand, and then we can ask questions now. Divine. No questions? Does this mean that everyone agrees?
Full agreement. That's nice.
Yes.
You said that you aim to get beyond the disease of material existence. I didn't quite pick up what your process was for doing this, but could you tell me what the end result is? What should you get beyond this?
What is that?
In Krishna consciousness, the process is to get beyond the disease of material existence.
Yeah.
The first part of his question, how to do this. The second part of his question, what is the end result after taking to the process?
The process is to transfer yourself from material energy to spiritual energy. We are under energy. The God has got two energies, material energy and spiritual energy. We are also energy. We are marginal energy. So, marginal energy means we can remain under the material energy or on the spiritual energy, as we make our choice. Marginal, just like on the beach, you find sometimes on the border of the water is covering the land, and sometimes the land is open. This is called marginal position. Similarly, we are marginal energy of God, living entities. So, we can remain under the water, means the material energy, or we can remain open on spiritual energy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,